What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see today, we are back with another CarPlay video, this time in regards to iOS 26 Beta 5. A couple things here, and right off the bat, unfortunately, you can see, like we talked about prior, there is only one widget that is now showing up still since Beta 4 on your dash for CarPlay. A little bit disappointing there. As you can see here on the phone though, if you go into widgets, you can rearrange them, you can do everything you want, you can add a widget depending on what you might want, just like that, and it will add right at the bottom here to all of your dashboards. But the issue is still you cannot have two widgets again side by side, unfortunately. So kind of a letdown there. There's no real option to select. As you can see on the phone, you have Smart Rotate, Widget Suggestions, and Show Wallpaper, but yeah, unfortunately that's it. And as you can see here now, we don't have the ability to add a widget. It is restricted to these 5. So fortunately, that's an option. You can toggle the whole thing on and off if you want. And then obviously you do have all of your apps. None of this has changed. There is nothing really new right here in CarPlay aside from this. So jumping into settings though, let's jump around and see if there's anything here. Activate with CarPlay, driving focus, announce messages, appearance, automatic or always dark. This is all the same. Customize icons. Let's see how they've done with liquid glass. It seems to transition a little better. It definitely is a little quicker than it was prior. So we'll leave that on auto. And then you have obviously your dark and light mode icons as we always have. I'll leave it on default for now as well. But it does look like liquid glass has stuck around this time, which is great to see. As we talked about prior, we got our new wallpapers in Beta 4. It looks like it's still restricted to those same ones here in Beta 5. Display, we obviously have our smart zoom and show album art in Now Playing, but nothing else is really showing up here as options. And then obviously accessibility, Apple Intelligence and Siri you can jump into. Automatically send messages, suggestions, and dashboards. None of this is really new. We do have live activities. If you have anything running on your phone, it will cast right to CarPlay, which is nice to see. Again, nothing new necessarily from Beta 5. Now, I wouldn't honestly anticipate anything really to be new in these builds. Being that we're 5 betas in, normally you are not going to see new features, just more tweaks along the way. If we jump into the Apple Music app, it does just seem to be a little more fluid than what it was prior. Maybe it's me, but it does seem to be looking and working just a little smoother. So as big as iOS 26 Beta 5's download was, if you missed that video, it was over 10 gigs. And that is 10 gigs back to back. So what I mean by that, iOS 26 Beta 4 was 10 gigs, and now again on Beta 5, it was another 10 gigs. So it's pretty unheard of for these betas late in the game, but that means there's a lot going on behind the scenes. So hopefully everything now will continue to remain optimized and improve in the next month, because as crazy as it is, this will be released to the general public in just over a month's time. So keep that in mind. There's a lot going on right now, but nothing else really seems to stand out in this build. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. We'll keep this video short and sweet. Sorry there's no new features, but you can see performance definitely seems to be stabilized and everything working as you would expect. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.